So now that we have done making a domain controller, which is named as pp.com, let's now go forward to the number 2, which is adding domain users. So let's just do until the 4 academic departments for the meantime. So let's go to the Oracle VirtualBox Manager, settings, and enable the shared folder since I will be using a bat file to automate the creation of the organizational units and the adding of the users. So first this case study that underscore bat select folder automate. Okay, then okay, then show. So let's see. Start. I mean Windows E. There you go, the case study. Then let's try running this create underscore OU first. Run as administrator. Run. Mhm. Press any key to continue. Let's check the Active Directory if it successfully created the what do you call this one? The organizational units. tpt.com. There you go. Basic art. Good. Then let's run the other two bat file. Run as administrator. Run. What preset has been created. Good. Now for the number two. Run. Press on key to continue. Enter. And check the Active Directory again. Back. tpt.com. Basic arts. There you go. It contains some users now. Nice. 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 And for other department. Oh, there's none for facing this civil engineering technology. Hmm? Oh, maybe we can fix that. Let's try. So I decided to just use a new plot file to allow all the sections to be filled out. So let's run them as administrator again. Run. Succeeded. Good. Press enter to continue. Then no users too. Run. Good. Uh, Press enter to continue. And in electrical engineering. Let's see. They are filled out. Hmm. Nine. This one, refresh. Electronics, nine, nine. Kangan and Allied, refresh. Automotive, good, found, nine. So they are all filled out. And that's all for the number two, which is adding domain users to this departments or section of LS. So let us now do the Roman numeral number two, which is uh, administrative department, which consists of the following departments, office or section. So we will be inserting this again in our domain. So going back to Oracle Virtual Box, then, oh, so yeah, it actually did an update. So let's wait for this to go through, to push through. Mm, okay, good. So we'll attach the notepad for our guide. Oh, not this one yet. We'll do this later on. Let's focus first on the creation of organizational units. Two administrative sections, which consists of registrars, research, etc. Administrative department consists of the following. Let's create an organizational unit for those under the domain. There you go. So click start or click the server man. Oh, click start administrative tools. Go to Active Directory users and computers. Still buffering. And then we can just right click tpt.com and click new and click organizational unit. But I will not be doing that since I could just attach a bat file and run the automation of the creation of the organizational unit from there. So where is this? I cannot find the shared folder. Shared folder. Add folder path, other, and attach. Kickstart that folder. Automon. Okay. Okay. And then um, let's copy this one and add to local disk C. Paste. So again, let's run this bat file. So create admin OUs. Run as administrator. Run. Oh, object not found. So that's incorrect. Press enter to continue. Create admin OUs. Let's run it as administrator. Succeeded. Good. Then SG. Run as administrator. Run. How about this one? Run. then SG run, and the basic OU run, and there you go. As easy as that. We now have a security group, or rather, how do I refresh this? Active Directory. We now have administrative section, organizational unit. And if we click this one, we have everything under the folder. So let's see if we can see some users, director's office. Nice. So they have members inside the folders or the organizational units. So we have done this one, the Roman numeral number 2, and create domain users for each department. We also done doing this organizational unit for each technology section. Did we do? This is the same as this one, right? Registrar's office and registrar. So let's now move forward to Roman numeral number 5, which is this one. All users can only log on to workstations that were assigned to their respective departments or offices. So, is that correct? Good.